Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And hi. What is triple A? What is AAA? In this video, we will get into the details of this acronym, which is triple A. My name is Syed Mutasim, and I'm a mind shift specialist. I coach people so that they overcome their emotional challenges in their life and live a life of purpose. So let's begin this video. What is AAA? That is AAA. The first is awareness. What is awareness? If I ask you this question, what is awareness? We get the answer as anything which we do consciously is awareness. And where does this consciousness comes from? Basically, the consciousness which we live by comes from the front part of our brain, which is the prefrontal cortex. This is the executive mind which help us to live a life of purpose. That is, our Creator has given us this distinct characteristics which will help us to live a life of purpose and also a meaningful life. So when we utilize this awareness, this consciousness for our best abilities, we see that we are actually achieving a lot in our life. So whenever we have to have a change in our life, we need to follow this AAA formula, that is AAA. So the first A in this acronym is awareness. So as long as you have a good awareness of your life, that is whatever the habits you are practicing in your life, the more you are aware of that, the better it is for you so that you can have the changes which are required in your life. For some reason, if you are stuck anywhere in your life and you are just following the same routine or the same habits, then you are not living a conscious life of awareness. So whenever you are getting aware of whatever the things which are not helping you in your life, then you are consciously thinking about changing them. So this is about the first A. When you are just practicing the first A, that is the awareness, consciousness in your life, then you go to the second step, which is acceptance. For a change to happen, whenever you are aware and conscious, the second step you need to follow is you need to accept that. Whenever we are getting aware of the habits, what we have to change in our life, but if we are not accepting that, then that means we are in the denial mode. That is, we are not in the acceptance mode wherein we accept that flaw or that incapability or that habit which is not building us, rather it is just destroying us. And if we are aware and we are not accepting that, that means we are not taking active role in this change. So whenever you are getting aware of the habit which you have to change, which you must change, and then you are accepting that this is the change I need to make in my life, then that will actually be helping you to accomplish major part of your task. So the second step is accepting. That is getting into the accepting mode and getting out of the denial mode. And as soon as you do this, you are halfway done in this project where you are changing your own self, any habit or anything which you want to change in your life. By the way, habits are things which are, first you create the habits, then the habits creates you. So this is one of the description of habit. Now coming to the third, which is the actual real part, which is all related with our practical life, and that is the third A is action. Because there is as such no thing wherein in this world we do not take any action and we get the results. For the results to be favorable for us, we need to take action. And for us to take action, we need to just get into the real world and see what are the action steps we have to take so that you get the results. For the results to happen in your life, you need to have some action plan and then you need to execute it so that you get the results what you want in your life. So this is all about the AAA formula, and which will help you to understand any habit which you want to change. And if you follow this step-by-step process of awareness, and then the second step of acceptance, and then the third and final step, which is action, you will get the results which you are looking for, inshallah. So this is all about today's topic. Inshallah, I'll be back with another topic. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. When you have found this video useful, please do share this video with your loved ones, as well as comment below, and also like this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.